Railroad photography captures the beauty, power, and history of trains while showcasing the landscapes they travel through. Enthusiasts often focus on locomotives in motion, highlighting the interplay between machinery and nature. From towering steam engines to modern freight and passenger trains, each subject offers a unique blend of motion, light, and industrial design. Photographers frequently seek dramatic lighting, such as the golden hour or nighttime shots, to emphasize reflections, shadows, and the dynamic feel of railroads in action. Beyond simply documenting trains, railroad photography often tells a story about the connection between communities and the railways that serve them. Tracks stretching into the distance can suggest adventure or nostalgia, while shots of historic depots or rural crossings evoke a sense of time and place. Many photographers also experiment with angles, framing, and environmental elements to add context and emotion, allowing viewers to appreciate both the engineering marvels and the human stories behind the rails. Drone photography has revolutionized the way we capture the world around us by offering unique aerial perspectives that were once only possible with expensive equipment like helicopters or planes. By using compact drones equipped with high-resolution cameras, photographers can now easily shoot the railroad industry from above. This technology allows for stunning visuals that highlight patterns, symmetry, and scenery that are often invisible from the ground. Using drones in railroad photography opens up possibilities that traditional ground-level shooting cannot achieve. Aerial perspectives allow photographers to capture sweeping views of trains moving through vast landscapes, winding through mountains, or crossing bridges. Drones can highlight the geometry of tracks, the symmetry of rail yards, and the striking contrast between trains and their environments. With the ability to hover or follow along safely, drones provide dynamic angles that showcase motion and scale without the limitations of fixed vantage points. In addition to artistic benefits, drones enhance storytelling by revealing how trains interact with their surroundings. Wide shots from above can emphasize the isolation of rural routes or the complexity of urban rail networks. They also make it easier to frame compositions that include both natural scenery and industrial elements, adding depth to railroad photography.
Rail photography has increasingly embraced drone technology, offering new perspectives that were once impossible to capture. One common type of drone used in this field is the consumer quadcopter, known for its ease of use and affordability. These drones are compact, lightweight, and equipped with high-resolution cameras, making them ideal for hobbyists who want aerial shots of trains in motion or scenic railroad landscapes without needing advanced piloting skills. Professional rail photographers often turn to prosumer or professional drones, which feature superior stabilization, larger sensors, and advanced obstacle avoidance systems. These drones can capture cinematic quality video and detailed stills, even in challenging environments like mountain passes or dense forests. Their longer flight times and higher wind resistance make them suitable for filming trains across extended routes or in more remote areas where precision and reliability are crucial. Finally, some projects may utilize specialized drones, such as FPV, first-person view, or industrial survey drones. FPV drones allow photographers to follow trains dynamically, creating dramatic tracking shots that give a sense of speed and immersion. Meanwhile, industrial drones equipped with zoom lenses or thermal imaging may be used for documenting rail infrastructure or inspecting tracks, doubling as tools for both creative photography and practical maintenance tasks. Each type of drone brings unique strengths to rail photography, letting photographers capture railroads from entirely new angles and perspectives. Railroad photography in the southern tier of New York captures a unique blend of natural scenery and historical railroading. The region's rolling hills, forested valleys, and winding rivers create picturesque backdrops for trains traveling through towns like Elmira, Hornell, and Olean. Photographers are often drawn to this area for its seasonal variety, autumn foliage framing locomotives, winter snow highlighting steel rails, and summer greenery offering vibrant contrast. The southern tier's landscape gives rail images a distinctly rural and timeless quality, making it a favorite spot for both casual rail fans and serious photographers. The region is also steeped in railroad history, which adds depth to photography projects. Legacy lines such as the Erie Railroad and the Delaware, Lackawanna and Western once crisscrossed the southern tier, leaving behind historic bridges, depots, and tunnels that remain compelling photographic subjects. Modern rail traffic, primarily Norfolk Southern and short line operations, often shares the same corridors that have served trains for over a century. Capturing contemporary locomotives against these historic backdrops allows photographers to tell visual stories that connect the past to the present. Many railroad photographers in the southern tier take advantage of the area's accessible vantage points and community-friendly railfan locations. Rural road crossings, small-town stations, and scenic riverbanks provide opportunities to safely frame both action shots and environmental portraits of trains. Sunrise and sunset light can create dramatic silhouettes and reflections along the Chemung and Susquehanna rivers, while misty mornings in the valleys offer a softer, atmospheric style. For those passionate about rail photography, the southern tier of New York offers a rich combination of scenery, history, and year-round visual potential.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.